This How to 1 Minute will show you how to get someone's IP and location on Omegle. First of all, open your Chrome Web Store and search for Omegle IP Puller and click on this extension here. And all you have to do is just add this extension to your browser. Once the extension added, click on this puzzle icon, and from here make sure to pin the extension here. After you have the extension, connect to any user on Omegle and start talking. Importantly, you need to start a video chat rather than the usual text chat. Only then the app will be able to capture their data. Once you start the video chat, it will send an IP address of the caller to your computer system. The extension just helps you to capture it. So when you start using the video chat, the extension will show you the IP address and location. Also, you can get their country, region, city, and optionally their internet provider. So that's how you can get someone's location on Omegle. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.